Yo, what's up guys? We're gonna go ride bikes today. Right now. Patapos ko lang mag-work. Ang init naman ng kotse na to. Yung kotse ko bulok no. Fuck! I like them old. So punta tayo sa skate park. Let's try and go ride there. That's my bike. So we go bike. Have fun. Sakit ng binti ko, tuhod ko. Nakikita nyo, kagaling ko lang. I do construction here sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Pero the good thing is construction here is not more on cement, no? Hindi ka maghahalo lang semento. More on carpentry type thing. Not too bad. Light work. But the thing is the house is so fucking big and it's hard to work. We go to the park, get some clips. I don't know what I'm doing, but let's see what we have for today. I look like a dumbass while trying to film here. Look, video ng konti, papawis, exercise kahit pagod na sa shoots. Favorite spot ano. Gawa ko nung nakaraan, chamba lang kaso Smith nose 180 Smith to full cab. Ewan na, hindi ko mabuo. Wala sa mood yung katawan ko. Go on, boss! Yo, 7-Eleven. Bili lang ako ng maiinom. Pwede akong mag-bar spin drop din. This is good. Ah, Porsche! Ay, hindi. 7 na ng gabi dito pero maaraw pa. So, tambay muna ako dito. So, napakagandang dagat. Gusto ko mag-surf eh. Di naman yung mga nagsasurf dun eh. Kaso yung alon pa cross. Yun sila. Ano all? Maybe next time I'll go surf. Takot ako sa tubig eh. Takot ako mag-surf. Kung saan ang tuhod ko. I don't know. Maybe bukas na lang ako maglalaro. Or next day. So, yun lang. Try ko upload to sa YouTube. And then, like, every day, aalis ako. I'll try like doing videos and shit. Because ang dami nagsasabi na mag-video ako. Like, it's not my thing. I just want some good clips, you know? Video ng bike. Like makabuo ng trick, but I don't like doing, you know, day in the life kind of thing, so which is kind of hard. Fuck. Shit, hindi ko malalagay. So yun lang, wala akong masabi. Bukas na lang. Peace. Shoots. Oh shit.